Mozam, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. A very good morning. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. We have Mozam here, Mudabbir, Saklain, Yusuf. But where are the others? We'll wait for 2-3 minutes and then we'll start. Okay, so let us begin the class for today. I find a few of them here. Most of you have joined by now. 7 students, correct. I will switch on my camera and I expect that all of us will switch on our cameras also. So here we go. So let's start today's class. Safia, good morning. You're still having a breakfast or what?
Good morning,
Safia?
sir.
Goodness.
Yes.
Until 10 you're having a breakfast. Mozam there, good morning, Mozam. Saklain, you are wonderful. You have got a new background today, I find. That's good.
Sir, I started 2 minutes ago.
Okay. Farhana also here. Good morning, Farhana. Mudabbir also good morning. Yusuf, what happened? Today you have switched off your camera. Good morning, Yusuf and Amit Qazi, who seldom switches on his camera. Okay, we are just 2 classes away from our session to end. And our last class will be tomorrow. But I'm very pained to find out one interesting thing, that none of you have attempted the question that was given in your formal little class. That was scheduled on 23rd of March, page 103. Mozam is giving a very naughty smile. He has understood what I'm talking about. He is getting naughty these days. I have to inform Ved sir. Wait. क्लास मॉनिटर का अगर ऐसा हालत होगा तो बच्चों का क्या होगा? You wait and watch. Okay, so I love to give punishments. My goodness. I love to give punishments, but my punishments are always enjoyed by my students. So right now, what we will do is this. All of us who are there in the class will be given just 10 minutes. Go to page 103, lesson 6. That means the second part of Tiger Comes to Town, and complete this assignment and upload it. I'll give my feedback right now. So your time starts now. You get 10 minutes. It's 10:05 by my watch, 10:06 by my watch. 10 minutes, that means 10:16. By 10:16, the formal letter should be uploaded. Otherwise, a name goes to our Daud sir that these are the kids who are not serious about the exam, and they need some special classes before they sit for the exam. Farhana is now gearing up fast. Yes, Mozam is also gearing up. Nice to see people getting up and working early in the morning. It's a good thing. Mudabir has run away from the camera only. Fast, 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 fast. 10 minutes and then you upload. You get 5 more minutes to upload. That means by 10:20, it should be visible on my screen in the classroom. Fast. And for your kind information, tomorrow we are going to have our session on the PPTs. So kindly come prepared to the class. Everyone will get 2 minutes. 7 students, 2 minutes, 14 minutes, the task will be over. And I'll tell you, I'll give you the feedback there in and there, because these codes will be added in your final exam. So I repeat, right now you have got 10:20. By 10:20, your task should be uploaded in the classroom and the time has started. All the best. Start working. I'll keep my camera off. However, anyone having any doubt, kindly ask me. But don't switch off your cameras. I'll be keeping a watch on. Don't switch off your cameras. Those who are reading the question, you can for the timing. But once you are done with the questioning, just switch on your cameras, just to keep a watch on it. So all the best. 10:20. Your task should be visible on the screen. Hopefully we are able to write it and we don't have a doubt. It's 10:15 by my watch. Goodness, Sakleen, you don't need to give your address. Thank you, Sakleen, for asking the question. We don't need to give our own address. We can give any address. Suppose you have to give the sender's address. You can give, suppose, any random address. Suppose 23 by A, MG Road. MG Road is common in everywhere. Even in Kolkata, we have an MG Road. So you can give 23 by A, MG Road, Mumbai, and you can give the PIN number. Ensure that whichever state you are giving, kindly ensure that the PIN number is of that same place. For instance, Kolkata I'm writing. I should not write 400. It cannot be possible. Kolkata means it has to be 700. So ensure that you write the proper PIN number. If you're not sure of the PIN number also, just write down 23 by A or just MG Road, Mumbai, and then you go for the receiver's address. Yes, Safia.
So we are writing from the principal this now. So we are only if we write until Malgoda, it's fine.
You can write Malgudi, no problem. And Safia, I would request you to just send a screenshot of the question to my number. You have my number, right? Safia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Kindly send the question to me.
I have your number.
Yeah, thank you.
What?
You just send me the question to me, a screenshot of the question.
Sir, it's on page number 103.
Yeah, right now I don't have that. Right now I don't have it. I'm using my mobile phone for taking the class today.
I'll send it
Thank
to
you.
you right now.
Now, once you finish, don't need to worry. After that, you will tell me, sir, for you, I got delayed. So don't need to worry about it. Finish your answer and then you can send it. No problem. Uzair Parker and Amit Kazi, especially both of you, I would love to get your work today. And remember, whatever assignments till date we have taken, you are being evaluated on those so that we can get a comprehensive idea as to where we stand. It's 10:22. I'm still waiting for people to upload. I have not yet received any. Safia, Muzam, Farhana, Mudabir, Saklain, Muhammad Alim Sheikh. Muhammad Alim Sheikh, I think you joined a bit late. Muhammad Alim, go to page 103, lesson 6. That means the second part of A Tiger Comes to Town. There is a small letter that you need to write. Kindly upload it in the classroom, please.
Yes, sir.
Good. And Alim Sheikh, don't be just serious in my class, please. I am not that serious. I don't want you to be serious also. Plain and simple. Just enjoy the class. Hardly 2 days left. After that, तुम लोग exam है. All the best for your exams. So, be serious that time. अभी क्या serious होने का है? आराम से. No tension. See Farhana. She has also not done her work, but she is smiling. Tension नहीं लेने का.
Sir, below the letter we have to write the sign.
Yes, Safia, repeat.
I said below the letter we have to write the sign.
Below the letter, you have to write the
Sign.
site.
Sign. Sign.
The
Signature.
signature. No, you may not sign. See, the signature here doesn't mean you have to sign. You can just write yours truly. Sorry, thanking you, yours truly. Then your full name in running handwriting. That it becomes your signature eventually. And your designation. That's it. Designation
What's
means
the
your position. Designation means suppose you're the principal or the secretary or the magistrate, as it has been given in the question. I think it's the parents writing, right? Parents forum.
I'll
Right?
send it to me. I'm done with
Yeah.
my letter.
Fine, fine. Just upload it and send the question to me. I'll guide you. Mudavir, thanks for uploading. I'll check it right now. Mudavir, would you mind if I give you the feedback? Fine, I'll send it to you in the chat box. Yeah. Mudavir, did you take a photograph and upload? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I would request you just for your practice. Okay, Saklan, you take the photograph. I would request you to scan it with Adobe Scanner and just upload it again, just to help you practice.
Okay,
I request everyone to not to take a photograph and upload. I'll tell you why. Just today you do this, you'll understand what I'm telling. Please scan your work and upload. There's a particular reason behind this. It's a request. Usually Adobe Scanner is a better one, but I'm not promoting any of the companies. So don't think that I get a commission from them. I get nothing. So you can take your own initiative. Safia, I received yours. Thank you. Safia, please send the question. You have taken also a photograph. Kindly don't do it, please. Scan it. Another thing, Safia, good thing. When you are scanning, you are taking a photograph or you're scanning, just ensure that the way you are sending it, if you too can read this way. If not, that means I can also not read it properly. The way I've taken the photograph, it is very difficult to check such papers. Last time you got very poor score because of this. So it should be as if it should be a notebook in front of me, completely clear and precise. Upload it again with an Adobe Scanner. You have uploaded your keyboard also. Thank you for uploading your keyboard, but I don't need that. Who else? Saklen, thank you, Saklen. Saklen, did you scan it or did you take a photograph?
Sir, I took a photograph.
Your photograph is quite good. But I would request you to scan and upload, please. Everyone, please scan and upload. You'll understand why I'm telling you. Because the moment I say,
scanner okay?
I don't have any problem. See, I am not promoting any of the brands. You can do whatever, but use a scanner instead of taking a photograph. I'll tell you why. Once you upload it, you'll understand. One, Saklen, your letter is fine, but it is too short. And second thing, I will just tell you the format thing. Content, I'll give you the comments later on. Saklen, you have written, what is the name of the place? Ulwe. Saklen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First you have written Ulwe. It should be next line, Navi Mumbai. Then it should be Maharashtra, and in the same line, you should have your pin number. The pin number cannot be before Maharashtra. एक चीज हम लोग को समझना है. Everyone, listen to this very carefully. Whenever a letter comes to the postmaster or the postman, he starts from the last line and goes upwards. So first and foremost, he looks into the pin number. Then he goes up, state. Then he goes up, the region. Then he goes up, the locality. And then he goes to the main particular plot. So you should start from the plot, then this, then this, then this, and last should be pin. But when the postmaster checks, he starts from the last line. So ensure that. Okay. Otherwise, your structure is fine. Sakleen, you have to write your full name when you're writing a formal letter. Just Sakleen will not be correct. Thanking you, not thank you. It should be above. Kindly follow the format which I had shared in the class. Sakleen, your format, you'll lose marks in your format. Please. Sakleen, I have given my feedback to you. Let us move on to the next person. Who is that? Safia, I'll go back to you now. I'll give feedback right now. Content, I'll check it afterwards and tell you. Safia, hopefully you're uploading your scan note. The principal, Malgudi Publics, Malgudi. Safia, ensure that everything in this is in the same line. Your Malgudi has got inside. It should be just below Malgudi Public School. The secretary spelling wrong hai. You have written Sekrasi. Acha, you have done it wrong, Safia. Oh, wait. Just a minute. No. The principal spelling is wrong. Safia, you are putting me into trouble now. Where is that? प्रिंसिपल का स्पेलिंग गलत है. You will be putting me into trouble now, Safia. Subject ठीक है. Security. Improve your handwriting, Safia, please. I'm so sorry. Letter. No, Safia, your sentence. Acha. Sincerely spelling wrong hai, Safia. And full name, please. You have to give your full name. Is it clear, Safia? Did you get it? कुछ तो बोल. हाँ ना.
Sure.
Thank you. Acha, Mudabir, I'm checking yours now, your format. If I'm not wrong, the parents of the students था या फिर कुछ mention किया हुआ है. I think. Just check it once. You have written a very good letter, I should say, Mudabir. It's quite informative, but I can't find the salutation. Thank you, yours truly. I can't find that in your letter. Have you given it, Mudabir? I can't find it anywhere.
Sir, it is on the next page.
But I don't think you have uploaded it. It's not
Sir,
there.
I uploaded it.
Just wait, let me check again. Let me see. Acha, Yusuf also uploaded. Very good. Muzam also, Mudabir, Farhana. Good. Those who have uploaded the letters by taking a photograph, kindly I request to scan it and upload again, just to help you practice and show you what is the difference. Acha, Mudabir, you have scanned and uploaded now, right?
Yes, I again scanned it.
Very good. Let me check. I'll understand. Yes, it has been scanned. Good. Fair enough. ठीक है. Ensure one thing, Mudabir, you just mentioned principal and then you move on to the next line and then you write Malgudi Public School. You don't have to write principal off. And don't need to leave line in between. It can be all together. Otherwise, but you'll get marks. It's as per the given format. Good. So Yusuf, let me come to Yusuf now.
So now did
Yusuf, can you hear me?
you the question?
Okay, fine. No problem. Yusuf, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good. Very good handwriting, Yusuf. You have scanned it, Yusuf?
Yes, sir, I have scanned it.
Good. Let me check. Yes, you have scanned it. Correct. Good. Very good. अच्छा अभी देखता हूँ इस फॉर्मेट का क्या प्रॉब्लम है. अच्छा फाइन, ये ठीक है. डियर सर, ठीक है. सब्जेक्ट आफ्टर. अब क्या Yusuf, it is better that you can, if you can write the subject just before dear sir. I will not say your system is wrong. People write this way also. But if you can follow that structure, it will be easy. However, if you write this way also, I will give you marks. But the date has to be before. Oh, you have given the date. Sorry. Okay. We are going to add few cameras. Okay.
What the question?
Just a minute, Safi. Just a minute. Yusuf, you are writing yours truly, not your truly. Please change it in your notebook. Yours truly,
Okay.
and it should not be principal. It should be the name of the principal first. And next line, you should write principal. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Safia, go ahead.
Did you get the question, Mr. Sir?
I'll see to it afterwards. Right now, I'm checking the content. So I'll go to it afterwards. Mozam, now I'm in yours. Mozam, it's a photograph, right?
So I scanned it. It's a scanned copy, sir.
1 minute, let me check. 2 attachments. Just a minute, let me check once. Yes, Achana, but I don't know why this is coming this way. Chalo, theek hai. For the timing, it's okay. Let me check. I'll tell you why I am so much eager to get scanned copies. Whenever you have a scanned copy, it becomes easy to give comments. But the moment you take a photograph and send, the moment I zoom it or I try to give the comment, it moves away from the actual place. It becomes a bit awkward. That's the only reason. Okay, let me see the format of Mozam. Mozam, ठीक है. Good. Your format is correct. You'll get marks for your format. No problem. Content, I'll give my comments afterwards. Yusuf done, Mozam done, Mudabit done, Farhana. It's 10:42. I'll take a few more minutes. Please don't mind. Farhana, I'll request you to keep everything on your left, please. I will not say it is a wrong format, but suppose you forget, that would be an issue. Keep everything in the left-hand side. Can you hear me, Farhana?
Yes.
Good. Secretary S should be capital, principal P should be capital. Malgudi Public School, P should be capital. After Malgudi, next line, the PIN number should come. PIN, write down PIN and then write down the PIN number. Parents Association of Malgudi, dear sir. Subject, fine. ठीक है. Farhana Patel, principal, next line, Malgudi School. Fine. Right, Farhana?
Yes.
Good. You're serious today? What happened? I didn't scold anyone. Okay. Saklin, I have given my feedback to you. Those who are not appropriate with the formats fully, I will request them to write it down again and upload, because I don't want anyone to lose score just for your format, please. Especially Saklain, then Safia. Saklain done. Kaun baki hai? Safia I have told. Amit Qazi has not.
The scanned one also.
Okay, fine, no problem. Scanned one will help me to just check the paper, not a problem. I find Yusuf, Muzam, Mudabir, Farhana 5, Saklain, and Safia. Those 7 students only uploaded. Oh, shit. Rest of them, I don't find they've uploaded. Maybe they are angry with me, but I can't help. Amit Qazi, I have not received anything till now. Yusuf has left. Okay, so that's it. I would request everyone to come prepared for your PPT tomorrow because it will carry 20 marks. I want everyone to get 20 out of 20. Come prepared. It will be a 2 minutes PPT. You have to explain it. If you have understood it, please give a thumbs up and we'll end the class. Tomorrow, PPT presentation. Thank you, Farhana. You can leave. Thank you, Muzam. You can leave. Thank you. No one has given a thumbs up after this. Thank you, Safia. You can leave. Thank you, Saklain. You can also leave. Mudabir also you can leave. Okay, Amit Qazi, if you can participate, it will be really good. Thank you. Thank you very much, everyone. All the best.